Hello and welcome to the first video in the Java tutorial series. My name is Isaac Patton, and this video series is going to cover learning how to program in a FIRST Robotics context. And for those of you who don't know, FIRST Robotics is a high school robotics competition, and so this series is going to be much more geared towards that specific context. So if you're learning Java for much more general purposes, this tutorial series may not be for you, but there might still be helpful explanations or alternative demonstrations that might still kind of help you along through your coding journey. I'd like to state that this series will also come along with an interactive GitHub project, so this will include things like quizzes, exercises, as well as projects. So down in the description you'll find a link to a video describing how to download all this stuff so that you can follow along in a much more interactive way. I'd like to note that this series is still in development, so if you reach the end of the video series and it doesn't seem like the end, it's likely because I'm still working on the next video. And I am working to get out as many videos as I can each day, but it takes time to put these all together, so please be patient. With that being said, I hope you enjoy this series and that you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride as we go along your coding journey. Alright, we'll catch you in the next one. See you.